Hi, it's Dan here from Thomas Road Support. I'm just going to take you through the theme options available in our new theme Lydia for WordPress. At the moment we've installed the demo data locally, we've installed the Rev slider, so if you are following along with those videos and haven't yet done that, then please skip back and do so. At the moment we're just going to give you an overview of the options available to you for the theme. The way we handle our theme options, we don't use any complex option pages. We use what WordPress provides, which is available under Appearance and Customize. And within there we've got the demo data importer, which we've covered, and then we've got a few options here. Obviously for the blog, if you want to use the discuss comment system, this is where you can put your username. Just for the sake of the demo, we're just using the standard one. Next up, you've got the WordPress kind of default options, where you can set up your title and tagline as well as your favicon, which confusingly they now call site icon, so if you're not sure, that is where you can do it. Next up, we've got the footer settings, so right at the bottom of the page where you can have your own little message. This is where you can essentially specify your own. So there you go, as you can see there, whatever message you put in that box appears down here. Next up we've got the colour section. This is where you can take control of basically all the various parts of the theme, such as the main background colour. You can see it's changing live there. And then next up you've got colours for each of the available, I suppose the word would be the categories. So for each category you have within your blog, you can set a specific offset color. Now in the demo you can see some of the different categories have got a different highlight color for them, so if you want to, you can keep them all the same. We think it's quite nice to be able to set them uniquely per category. So if we go ahead and just change a few of these up, just to kind of give you an idea of what I mean. Random. There we go, that's certainly plenty. Now if I go take a look at the blog, you can see there each of the colours we've selected applies to the particular category, which is a really neat little feature you don't find in many themes at all. So again, you can set these either into one colour or however many you wish. You really have got total control. Okay, next up we've got the background image section, just where you can specify an image, obviously for the background of the header and whatnot. Here we've got the menu section, which is where you can assign or create menus. Personally, I prefer to do this from the dedicated screen available under Appearance and Menus, but obviously that's up to you. Here we've got the widget area, so if you want to apply some widgets to the footer area, you can do so. Next up you've got the options for setting the home page. Now we've covered this in a previous video, so I wouldn't suggest to change this, but if you did want to, you can use this page to, or this area to select a different home page, or maybe just choose to show your latest blog posts, whatever you prefer. Here we've got the custom CSS area, so if you are feeling like you want to get your hands dirty and maybe tweak a few bits to your taste, then you can do so. And finally we've got the header area. This is where you can control the look of the header. So you can see there, as we're making various changes, it's just showing us live what's happening. I think I'll stick with the dark. If you obviously want to specify your own logo, you can do so as well. You'll notice we've essentially got the same logo in two versions. This is because based on the header you've got, if you've obviously chosen the dark background header, you're going to want a light logo, and vice versa. If you choose a light background header, you're going to want a dark logo. And finally, if you want to add some social icons to the header, you can do here. I'll just pop a few in randomly. You can see every time you add a URL to whatever social network you want to apply to, it will appear there as well. Okay, so that's the overview of the theme options available for Lydia. I hope this has been useful. Any other questions, then please do come see me over at support. Thanks for watching.